Hello students, welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. Myself Sneha Pemberti. Students, in last episode what we have studied? Yes, we have studied about the capital letters and full stop. But in that we have only studied capital letters, how to use the capital letters. So once again what we have to do? We have to revise what we have studied in the last period. Okay. Now open your grammar textbook, page number 12. See, in last period we have studied that there are the two types of letters we can see. These are capital letters and small letters. In these letters we can see there are 26 alphabets, or we can say letters are there. There are 26 alphabets are there, or we can say the letters. Okay. Now these capital letters along with these small letters, these bold letters we can use while form a sentence. Okay. While form a sentence we are using capital letters as well as small letters. Now last period we have also studied that where the exact position, that where we have to use the correct uses of the capital letters. Okay. Now here we have seen in the last period, once again I am going to revise that capital letters we write with the small letters, but we also use the capital letters. Yes. Now here see the example it is given. Today is a holiday, my school is closed. There are the two sentences you can see in your textbook, or you can see in the screen. Now here today is a holiday. Now here we can see that one, that first letter it is starting with the capital letter. Now the next sentence when we have to form, that also it is before we start the after ending the sentence what we have to do, we have to give the full stop, then we can form a next sentence. Now the next sentence also they are formed here. We can see my school is closed. Now we can see here after the sentence full stop is given. Okay. Now after this, along with this we have seen, now where do we see the capital letters? Yes, we see that one capital letters comes at the beginning of the sentence. Where do we see? Capital letters we have to use at the beginning of a sentence. Now here see that some special names also begins with a capital letters. I have told you that one, some special names also in when we have to write, that time the first letter we are going to write in the capital letter. Now here one example I have, you can see here, the name of my best friend is Madhu. What is that example? The name of my best friend is Madhu. Now here always we have to remember that one, whenever we have to form the sentence, first letter we are starting with the capital letter. Now here the T it is written in the capital letter. Then afterwards you can see when the name of the person it will come, that time you can see that one M it has written in the capital letter. Why? Because this is the name of a person. Okay. There are the some, after that we can see that one we always write I in capital. Why? Because I it is a pronoun. Whenever we have to write I, we have to write that in the capital letter, because I it is a pronoun. Okay. Now here we have seen there are the some special names that begins with the capital letters. We can see that one, whenever we have to write the name of a person name, that time we should use the first letter capital letter. Now name of a days, name of a months, names of a subjects, names of a countries and cities, names of schools, names of rivers, seas, names of festivals. Whenever we have to write these special names, that time what we have to do, the first letter it should be the capital. Okay. Now with the help of this we have solved in the last period first question, that rewrite these sentence using capital letters where you think they are necessary. Now here there are 6 examples already we have studied in the last period. Okay. Now today we are going to study about the full stop, where we have to use the full stop, that we are going to study today. Okay. Now turn your page, that page number 14. See, full stop. Read the following sentence. Veena is my friend. Next is we played together. Now these are the both sentence we can see, and after sentence what it is given, it is circle given, and in circle you can see a small dot. This dot means what? It is a full stop. Okay. Veena is my friend. Here you can see first letter started in the capital, and after in the sentence what it is given, full stop. Okay. Again you can see the next example also. Here the first letter it is starting, beginning with the capital letter and end with the full stop. Okay. Now full stop means what? Full stop means what? A small dot that we end of the each sentence, that we can call it as a full stop. Full stop means what? That a little dot at the end of each sentence is called a full stop. Okay. Now here we can see, once again we have to remind this one. We start a sentence with a capital letter. Again we have to revise this one, that we start a sentence with a capital letter, which already we have seen. Now we end a sentence with a full stop. This also we have seen in the last period. Once again I am going to show you that. Once again we have to remind that one, whenever we have to start the sentence, first letter it should be the capital and end the sentence with a full stop. Okay. Now with the help of these rules we have to solve these examples. There are 8 examples are there. One by one we have to solve it. So before we start this, first we have to read the question, that what it is given the question. Okay. Now take your pen, take your pencil, eraser, sharpener with you. Don't write anything, just listen carefully. Afterwards you can write the answer, but before whenever I am going to give you the instruction, that time you can write it. But before that you just listen carefully, understand these examples. Okay. Now what the question it is given, we have to see. Write these sentence properly. Now here you can see that there are the sentence it is given. We have to write this sentence properly. Now next what it is given, use capital letters and full stop where needed. Now here while form the sentence we have to write it properly, and along this writing what we have to do, we have to use the capital letters and full stop where it needed. Okay. So one by one we are going to start the example. Now first one what it is given, we are in the classroom. We are in the classroom. Now the what we have to do here, we have to see that form the sentence, always start with the capital letter. First W I wrote capital letter, then next remaining letters we have to write in the small. Now we are in the classroom. Now after my sentence is over, what I have to do? I have to give the full stop. Okay. First one, what we have done? First, there we have to just instruction, we have to just follow whatever they have given the instruction, that we have to follow that. Capital letters we have given, first letter we have to start with the capital. Now after ending the sentence, what we have to do? We have to give the full stop. Okay. Now the second one is, Vishal is drawing a picture. Second one is, Vishal is drawing a picture. Now here you can see Vishal is the name of a person. So while writing, whenever the name of a person it will come, that time we have to write the capital letter. First letter we have to write the capital. But here Vishal, this word it is the first. So the first whenever word it will come, in that word first letter we have to write capital. So Vishal, we have to write capital. Is drawing a picture. Then after sentence end with the full stop. Okay. Now third one, the teacher is in the class. What it is that? The teacher is in the class. So here again, once again, first letter it should be the capital. We have to, whenever we have to beginning the sentence, first letter we have to write in the capital. So here we can say the teacher is in the class. Then full stop. Okay. Now fourth one, Mohan has lost his pencil. Now here again we can see it is a name of a person. Here it has come. So what we have to do? M we have to write in the capital. Mohan has lost his pencil. Then full stop. Okay. 4 examples. Have you understood? Shall we go for the fifth one? Now fifth one is, Vani is reading a story. What is that? Vani is reading a story. Now here Vani, we have to write in the capital. Okay. Vani is reading a story. Then full stop. Okay. Now the sixth one, it is Sunday morning. Now here you can see, start with the capital letter, but here there's the day, it has come, Sunday. One day we can see that one, the name of the day is Sunday, it has come. So what we have to do? Whenever the name of the days it will come, we have to, first letter what we have to do? First letter also of that day we have to write in the capital letter. So the answer is like this. It is Sunday morning. Full stop. Okay. What changes I have done means, where the capital letter and full stop is needed, here In it I wrote in the capital letter. Then Sunday, when the names of the days it will come, the first letter what we have to do? First letter we have to write in the capital. So after ending the sentence, what I have done? I have given the full stop. Okay. Now seventh one. Our school will reopen on Monday. Now our school will reopen on Monday. Here again you can see day it is come. So first letter we have to start with the capital, means our O I have to write. I am writing here capital letter. Okay. Our, then next is school, as it is in the small letter, will reopen on, now here Monday it is given. So Monday, in Monday M I am going to write in the capital and remaining letters I have written here the small. So after the ending the sentence, what I have done? I have given the full stop. Okay. Now last one is January is the first month of the year. January is the first month of the year. So here what we can say, January, this is the name of one month, we can say January is the first month, it will come of the year. So here January, J I am writing the capital and remaining letters in small. January is the first month of the year, then full stop. Okay. So these are the answer we can say. Here I have solved. You can copy this answer in your grammar textbook. Okay. Write that answers properly, neatly. Don't do any spelling mistakes. Write in a good handwriting. Okay. Once again I am going to read this question and along with that answer. Okay, you just copy that answer in your grammar textbook. Now the question once again I am going to read here. Write this sentence properly. Whatever the sentence it is given, we have to write this sentence properly. Now use capital letters and full stop where needed. Okay. While form the sentence, what we have to do? We have to use the capital letters and full stop where needed. So one by one I have, with the help of this rule, I have solved one by one examples. Okay. First one is we are in the classroom. Now here we are in the classroom. This is the sentence. There are no capital letter it is given, and after ending the sentence no full stop it is given. So what we have to do? We have to just follow the instruction what it is given. Now the answer is, we can say, we are in the classroom. Here we, W I wrote capital letter, and after ending the sentence I have given the full stop. Okay. Next one is Vishal is drawing a picture. So here Vishal, you can see Vishal, this is the name of a person. Here Vishal, in Vishal this word I have written here V in capital. Okay. Now Vishal is drawing a picture. Then after ending the sentence what I have given? I have given the full stop. Okay. Now third one is the teacher is in the class. Now here again we can see that one first letter, whenever we have to beginning the letter, first letter it should be the capital. So here we can see that one T I have wrote here in the capital. So the sentence formation is like this: the teacher is in the class. Then after the sentence what I have given? Full stop. Now the fourth one is Mohan has lost his pencil. Now here Mohan, in Mohan this word we can say M, it is I have written here in the capital. Always we have to start whenever we have to start the sentence, we have to first letter should be the capital. Along with that, I have told you that whenever the person name, place, things or the country, cities, festivals, days and months, these names it will come, that time we should use the capital letter. That first letter while writing that day, that name, the first letter we have to use the capital letter. Okay, now here Mohan, M I have wrote here because already it has given the Mohan starting, in the beginning it has given. So no, here M I have written in the capital letter. So the sentence formation is like this: Mohan has lost his pencil. Then I have given the full stop. Okay, now the fifth one is Vani is reading a story. Now here again you can see Vani, this is the name of a person, especially girl's name we can say that. So here again what I have done, I wrote the capital. I have start this sentence formation. So first letter I have wrote in the capital letter. So Vani is reading a story. Then full stop I have given. See, whatever they have given the instruction, I am just following that instruction, and with the help of that instruction I have here I have formed the sentence. Okay. Now sixth word is it is Sunday morning. Now here you can see here the day it has given. So whenever we have to beginning the sentence, start with the sentence, first letter we have to write in the capital letters. Now here it, here I wrote in the capital letter. It is, now again Sunday it will come. So Sunday as I wrote here in the capital letter. Now then morning as it is I have wrote in the small letter, and after sentence, and after ending the sentence I have given the full stop. Okay. Now seventh one is our school will reopen on Monday. Now here again beginning with the capital letter, end with the full stop. Now what it has given is Monday, this day it has given. So in Monday the first letter of the day I have written in the capital letter. Okay. Now the eighth one is January is the first month of the year. Now here this is the, you can see the one month name it has given. So here January, J I wrote in the capital letter. So the sentence formation is like this: first letter I wrote in the capital letter and end with the full stop. These are the examples we have solved in this lesson. I hope you understand this lesson carefully. Now what I am going to do, I am going to show one video related this lesson. Okay. I hope you all are wrote this answer in your grammar textbook.
Chapter 4, Capital Letters and Full Stops. We know that in English there are two types of letters, small letters and capital letters. We are capital letters. We are small letters. Capital letters. We write with small letters, but we also use capital letters. Let us learn the correct use of capital letters. Read this sentence. Today is a holiday. T, capital letter. My school is closed. M, capital letter. Where do you see the capital letters? Capital letters come at the beginning of a sentence. Special names also begin with capital letters. The name of my best friend is Madhu. M, capital letter. We always write I in capital. My friend and I, capital letter, study in class 3. The special names that begin with capital letters are as follows: Etonia, Names of persons: Jyoti, Mithali. Names of days: Mondays, Sundays. Names of months: February, July. Names of subjects: English, art. Names of countries and cities: India, Japan, Delhi. Names of schools: modern school, model high school. Names of rivers, seas: Yamuna, Red Sea. Names of festivals: Holi, Onam, Eid, Christmas. Full stop. Read the following. Veena is my friend. We play together. The little dot at the end of each sentence is called a full stop. We start a sentence with a capital letter. We end a sentence with a full stop. That begins with capital letter.
So students, I hope you understood this lesson, that where to use the capital letters and where we have to give the full stops. Okay. Once again I am going to, there are some special names I am going to revise that one, that where we have to use the capital letters. Now here whenever the names of persons it will come, so we have to write the capital letters. We should write the capital letters. First letter of that word we have to write a capital letter. Now names of days. Now here also in names of days, whenever the days names it will come, that time the first letter of that word we have to write in the capital letter. Now names of months. There are 12 months we know everyone. So in whenever we have to write these names of months, that time the first letter of that month we have to write in the capital letter. Next is names of subjects. Whenever we have to write the subjects, suppose English, Math, Science, SST or the social study, music, dance, art, these are the subjects we know everyone. So while this subject's name, whenever we have to write, the first letter of the subject we have to write in the capital letter. Now next one is names of countries and cities. Whenever we have to write the names of countries, suppose India, Japan, China, Australia, America, like these names of countries, that time the first letter we have to write of that word, first letter we have to write the capital letters. And whenever we have to write the city's name, like Delhi, Jaipur, Agra, so these letters of that cities, the first word of that city, whenever we have to write this first letter, that time we have to use the capital letter. Okay. Now the names of schools, modern schools. Here some names of schools it is given. So here we can say that some school names we can write. Suppose our Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. So whenever we have to write Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School, in Nagesh that N we have to write capital letter and remaining letters as we have to write in the small letters. Now orchid, in this word O we have to write in the capital word. O, this letter we have to write in the capital word. Now the Karasgi, this also it will come. Karasgi, K we have to write, this letter we have to write in the capital and remaining letters we have to write in the small letters. Now next is school. School also what we have to write? S. In the school this word S we have to write in the capital letter and remaining we have to write in the small letters. Now some names of rivers is, see whenever you are going to write the names of rivers, suppose Ganga, Yamuna, Tapi, Godavari, these are the names of rivers. So that time whenever you are mentioning or writing the names of the rivers, the first letter of that word we have to write in the capital letter. Now whenever you are going to write the seas, suppose Red Sea, Arabian Sea, so that time also we have to use the capital letter. First letter we have to write the capital letter. Now names of the festival. See, there are the different festivals we have studied. We have celebrate in our India. So like that, Holi, Ganesh Chaturthi, or we can say Onam, Eid, Christmas, Diwali, Dashera. So these festivals names, whenever you are going to write, that time the first letter of that word, it should be the capital letter. I hope you understood this lesson carefully. Now today your homework is that you have to read this lesson carefully, and whatever we have solved that examples along with the answers, that you have to once again read it properly. Okay, till then, bye. Have a nice day.